Guys, I got a 2016 Honda Accord here. If you have 2013 to 2017, you want to change the blower motor, similar procedure, same procedure. Even 18, 19, 20, it's about the similar. It might have a little bit of different setup, but anyways, you're gonna go inside the car. If your blower motor is not working, I want you to do one thing, okay? By blower motor, I mean like you're not getting no air from here. A lot of people will say, oh, my AC don't work. That doesn't mean your blower motor is bad. Anyways, the blower motor is right down here. I'm gonna show you everything step by step. But before you change the blower motor, I'm gonna show you a little trick, okay? A lot of times I hit the blower motor and then it starts to work, okay? So what you're gonna do is, to begin with, let's do this. Let's take off this cover right here. The blower motor is right underneath here. So you're gonna grab this from right this end. You're gonna pull down on this clip, just like that. It has like 4 or 5 clips probably. And there you go. And there's one more on this side. And this cover comes off, all right? And let's put that to the side. Right down here, you have the blower motor, okay guys? It's a very simple job on this car to change the blower motor. So before you change the blower motor, what I want you to do is, I want you to put the key on, let the car run. Put your fan speed on high. Once you have the car running and the fan speed is high and you determine that your blower motor is not working, what you can do is you hit this just like that, okay? Sometimes this motor kicks in and bada bing, bada boom, and everything starts to work. But in this case, I'm gonna show you how to remove this blower motor. To remove this blower motor, you have a screw here. You have screw here, screw there, and screw there. You can also put a number 8 socket on this. You can put a torque on it or a flathead screwdriver. So you have a lot of options here. But before that, what you're gonna do is you're gonna remove this connector right here. Let's take this connector off. So you push on that little tab and this connector comes right out. And on this side, you have this little retainer right here. You can remove this little retainer out of the way, or you could just let it hang there. It's all up to you. But anyway, let's go further. Let's start to remove the screws, okay? Let me go get the tools and we'll continue. So I went and got me this number 8 here. So what I like to do is I like to take the farthest one out first, the one that's gonna give me trouble. That's what I like to do, take out the last one first before anything else, because the easy ones are gonna hold it for me. Oh my god, this ratchet is no good. Should have power tools. Well, I got power tools, but some are gone. Alright, so this number 8 will come off. Once you loosen it up, then you could just probably turn it by hand. And there you go, that's the number 8. Then I'm gonna take off, I'm gonna leave this one because it's the closest one to me. And then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take off this one on this side. And you can see the blower motor already started to move around. There you go. I got 2 screws out, and then we got one more left right here. This is when the motor's gonna try to fall out. So just put your hand on it softly, gently, and go slowly. And here it comes out. There you go, and the blower motor is out. Let me grab my light so we can see. There you go. I don't know why the blower motor filled so early, but if you have a Honda Accord, doesn't matter what year, pull out the blower motor, right? Very simple job. And I'm going to show you how to put this back together. Alright guys, now it's time for me to put this back together, and this is the little difficult part. So what you're going to do is you're going to take your blower motor, make sure you line this guy where it belongs, or you'll have other problems. And that cools the motor down. So you're going to take this motor, just line it, make sure it snugs in to the right proper spot, because if it doesn't, it won't go in and engage to the proper spot. So take one screw, put it in, take your second screw, put it in, and you take the third screw, you put that in. My phone rings, it's all right, no problems. We'll get back to that. So once you have 3 of these screws in, it's gonna sit there, but we do need to tighten this. So let's take our ratchet and let's tighten this guy. Let me take my light. So all you're gonna do is just tighten them, snug them. You don't have to go crazy. You don't want to strip the housing either, okay? Because if you strip it, that's it, forget about it, you're gonna have problems. And there's our second screw, and then the third one on this side. Sometimes you'll get a leaf in there or one of those parking tickets, and the motor will rattle like that. You could take it out just by removing this, but don't forget to put your connector back in. Click. That's what you're going to listen to. Make sure that's in the spot. So this is pretty much done. What you're going to do next is you're going to take your cover here. The cover is going to go, you see these little guys, they're going to go one here, one there. Let me grab my light. This is the point where I grab my light. So let's line these two. You lift it up, line the hole where the clips are, and hit it, hit it, hit it, hit it. Bada bing, bada boom. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, share, and like. Bye bye.